I've owned this Black+Decker coffee maker for many years now, and I've upgraded the coffee filter to a reusable washable version. I like that this model has the auto clean feature, but you still have to wash the glass carafe that holds 12 cups of coffee. You can use the white cups indicator that's inside to pour your water. It doesn't have a water level window on the outside. Now let's have a closer look at the controls. You can easily change the time by just pushing the button. It doesn't have memory, so when the power goes out, you have to reset it. Here's a toggle button for the 1 to 4 cups or strong, along with the option to program and auto clean. I set mine to strong and push the start button. I don't like that sometimes it gets kind of loud and you can hear the brewing from the other room. I like that it has the auto off feature and it stays hot for 2 hours. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.